Welcome to Chart Talk Training Module Navigation 2, Navigation Menus. In this module, we will be going over the two navigation menus in Chart Talk and the information that can be found on them. In this module, we will go over what menu items and sub-menu items are, how user roles can be set up to access some menus and not others for different clinic users. We will take a look at the main navigation menu, which lets you navigate different user functions in Chart Talk, and the patient navigation menu, which lets you access and update the patient chart. We will also touch on how Chart Talk's responsive design adjusts the way you use it, depending on the device you are using. In a standard computer browser, the menus will appear on the left-hand side of your screen. The menu is broken up into menu items that you can click to access. If the menu item name is followed by an arrow, the menu can be expanded into submenus to give you more options. Clicking on the submenu item will navigate you to that screen. No matter where you are in Chart Talk, there will be a menu available on the left-hand side of the screen. Menu items can be configured to be available by user role. On the clinic information sheet you received with your Chart Talk welcome letter, we listed the default permissions for staff and provider roles. We can define any role for your clinic and set up custom permissions for each one. You are presented with the main navigation menu when you first log into Chart Talk. The options on the main navigation menu are for the whole clinic. The main menu is populated with items that allow you to navigate to schedules, access system configurations, reports, search the patient list, assign documents, edit email templates, review claim information. We will dig deeper into each menu and submenu items in later training modules to specifically address reporting, configuration, and using the software. The main navigation menu on a mobile device will be a little different. The menu will appear at the top of your browser. You can scroll past the menu by swiping up. You can also collapse the menu by touching the green double-sided arrow. The green double-sided arrow is also available in standard browsers and will collapse either menu. The patient dashboard is available when a patient is selected. Select a patient from the patient menu on the main navigation menu to search or launch directly to the patient screens by clicking their name from the Today's Visits widget or on the clinic dashboard. When the patient navigation menu is open, you can always navigate to the patient dashboard from the patient navigation menu by clicking Dashboard. The patient dashboard has widgets that graph functional outcomes, height, weight, and BMI, list past and upcoming appointments. For some widgets on the patient dashboard, you can enter data directly. Look for blue buttons on the widgets to see if there is a user action available. The options on the patient navigation menu differ from the main navigation menu in that all the choices will be applicable to the selected patient. Clicking Dashboard will bring you straight to this patient's dashboard. The other menu items are grouped by their use. Visits will bring up a list of all completed SOAP notes for the patient. Manage Payments shows the status of all claims for the patient, allows you to take and apply payments from the patient or patient guarantor, as well as see and edit payments applied to the patient account in the past. Medical groups tools to add records for medications, allergies, problem list, vitals, hospitalizations. Information is where you view or edit patient demographic data, insurance and payer information, referring provider or attorney, authorized patient representative, and preferred appointment times. The patient file cabinet can hold dictated notes, clinic templates, and attached electronic files relating to the patient. Be careful what you attach. The file cabinet is the fastest way to move you from one monthly hosting plan to another when you start attaching massive electronic files. Communication logs is a table to track written and verbal communication with a patient. We will go over using and entering data using these tools in an upcoming module. For now, we just wanted to go over what is contained and how to use the menu. The options available on the navigation menus are controlled by your user role. When we set up your practice management account, you filled out a form defining user roles and permissions. Each role in your clinic has a unique set of permissions that can be tailored to meet your specific requirements. In summary, navigation menus are the tools that appear on the left side of your browser or along the top in a narrow mobile browser. The main navigation menu has clinic-wide options like information on claims, patient search, scheduling, reporting, and configuration options. The patient navigation menu has patient-specific information, and you can think of it like you thought of tabs in a patient chart. Menu items with arrows next to them can be expanded to show more navigation options. Use the menu and submenu items to navigate through ChartTalk. This is the end of ChartTalk Navigation Module 2. Thank you.